Hey there, can you do affiliate marketing with Google Ads? Yes, but there are rules to follow. If not, you risk getting banned or losing money. Let's dive into how to do it right away. First, never use direct affiliate links in your ads. Google doesn't allow it. Instead, send traffic to a landing page. A landing page lets you collect emails, provide value, and promote multiple affiliate products. Choosing the right products is key. Pick high quality, well reviewed products that provide real value. Read Google Ads policies carefully. Also, check if your affiliate program allows paid ads. Track your links using your affiliate dashboard. It helps measure performance and optimize your strategy. Avoid bidding on brand names is unless explicitly allowed by the affiliate program. Let's create a high converting landing page. Write a strong, compelling headline to grab attention. Place your affiliate link early so users don't miss it. Make your content skimmable with subheading, bullet points, and images. Add an affiliate disclaimer to comply with FTC regulation. Use product and comparison tables for quick, easy to digest information. Make your CTA stand out with bright colors and persuasive text. Use heat maps like Hotjar to track where users click the most and optimize your page. Best landing page builder, System.io, ClickFunnels, Kartra, Lead Pages. Let's set up your Google Ads. Select website traffic as your goal. Pick your target audience by age, gender, location, and behavior. Write compelling and copy with at least 3 headlines and 2 descriptions. Enter your landing page URL for keyword suggestions. Set your budget and review before publishing. Once approved, your ad will start driving traffic to your landing page. Track results, optimize, and scale up for maximum earnings. That's how you do affiliate marketing with Google Ads. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more digital marketing tips.